Hello, students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We are continuing our ancient history series by looking at the Indus Valley Civilization. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. The first civilizations arose near rivers. One such civilization formed along the Indus River in South Asia. Farmers grew plenty of food, and populations grew. In time, some of the people settled in towns and cities and formed governments. What is the Indian subcontinent? South Asia is also known as the Indian subcontinent. It is called a subcontinent because of its large size and its isolation from the rest of Asia. South Asia is bounded to the north by mountains, the Himalayas, and the Hindu Kush. Ocean surrounds much of the rest of the land. South Asia's climate is dominated by seasonal winds called monsoons. These bring dry, hot weather in the winter. In summer, monsoons bring a rainy season that provides water for crops. India's first civilization grew around the valleys of the Indus and now dry Saraswati rivers. When the rivers flooded, they left behind rich soil. River water allowed farmers to harvest plentiful crops and feed the cities of the civilization. Indus Valley Civilization. Farmers first began groups near the Indus River system around 7000 BCE. From these beginnings, an advanced civilization arose around 2500 BCE and disappeared by 1700 BCE. Indus Valley cities were well planned and organized. Cities were surrounded by thick walls. Huge raised mounds of earth and brick offered protection from floods. Many features of the Indus Valley people showed an advanced knowledge of mathematics. For example, cities had grids of wide, straight streets. The people used an advanced system of weights and measures using multiples of 10. Indus Valley farmers built irrigation channels and ditches to provide reliable supplies of water to crops. They built granaries to hold surplus grain. Indus Valley people were also active traders. They exchanged jewelry, cotton cloth, and teak wood for foreign products. What mysteries surround the Indus Valley civilization? Scientists know little about many features of the Indus Valley civilization. For example, they do not know how it was governed and what religion its people practiced. The cities also contain large citadels or fortified areas of unknown purpose. Another mystery is the symbols found on stone seals and pottery. This may represent writing, but no one has figured out how to read the markings. However, the greatest mystery surrounding the Indus Valley civilization is why it disappeared around 1700 BCE. There are several possible reasons for the civilization's decline. There may have been an outbreak of disease. The stripping of forests may have left the people without wood and more vulnerable to floods. Other possibilities include damage to the soil, an earthquake, and drought. And now the nutshell. The first civilizations popped up near rivers, including one along the Indus River in South Asia, where fertile land made farming easy, populations boomed, and people started building cities and trying out this new thing called government. This area, known as the Indian subcontinent, is basically Asia's elbow, sticking out all by itself thanks to giant mountains to the north and oceans all around. Its climate is ruled by monsoons, which either blast the land with dry heat or turn everything into a soggy soup of rain perfect for growing crops. The Indus Valley civilization got rolling around 2500 BCE near the Indus and now vanished Saraswati rivers, building smart cities with straight roads, flood defenses, and what might be the earliest example of someone really obsessing over math. They were great at trade, built granaries like they were going out of style, and dug irrigation ditches with purpose. But here's the kicker. We still have no idea how they governed themselves, what religion they practiced, or what their mysterious symbols actually mean. As for why the whole thing vanished around 1700 BCE, it could have been disease, deforestation, drought, or maybe they all just got tired of figuring out their own plumbing. There you have it, folks. That is the Indus Valley Civilization nutshell. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons for me. Okay, I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.